How to set mobile hotspot data limit in Samsung. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to set mobile hotspot data limit in Samsung. So to do this, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, what you want to do is open up settings on your device. And when you open the settings, you just want to make sure to go ahead and find connections tab, or you could just go to network and internet. So when you go to network and internet, there you could tap on hotspot and tethering, click that out. Then you could go ahead and toggle the button for Wi-Fi hotspot. While you would do this, you could just go ahead and click on it, and over here you could just click on speed and compatibility. Make sure to select the preferred frequency if possible, and likewise you could go ahead and tap on advanced settings as well and configure, and then go to the advanced and find the tab, or you could just find and locate set mobile data limit. Enter the desired limit, that could be 500 to 1 GB, and that is how you'll be able to set mobile hotspot data limit in Samsung. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.